Hey you guys, Stephanie here. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm coming to you guys with a fall morning routine. Fall is actually my favorite time of the year and it is the perfect season to get cozy. So hope y'all enjoy. So I am just waking up, and usually in the mornings I like to take my sweet time. I don't like just waking up out of bed. It gives me anxiety, and that is one of the worst ways that you could start out your day. So I'm just taking everything at my own pace. As I get up, I'm gonna fix my bed, open up my curtains, and just really start off my day peaceful, most importantly, and at a slow and steady pace. I'm grateful for another day. I'm grateful for waking up. And I just want to embody that energy and start my day full of gratitude and peace. So in today's video, I had the pleasure of working with It Cosmetics. Big shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. And they actually have a friends and family sale going on right now, which started from October 17th and it ends on October 28th. So that means you only have a limited amount of time to take advantage of the sale and save up to 35% off site-wide, excluding their sets and kits. They sent over some great items that I was so excited to try out, but we'll get into that later on in the video. But first, I'm gonna head over to the bathroom. So when you're first waking up, it is very essential to hydrate the body with some water first thing in the morning. And this item has actually been very helpful for that. I picked up this water carafe from Amazon. I showed it in my last video, but y'all, this item is so good to have. I usually try to put it either by my bedside or on my bathroom sink, so it's very helpful in the mornings. I just have my room temp water sitting there and it's just very convenient to already have there, so I could drink my glass of water. And I'll also take this time to drink any vitamins. Usually I drink a vitamin C. I also have some collagen supplements that I take as well in the morning. So I'm about to take a quick shower, and one of the first items that I always start off with is my Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap, and this is in the unscented fragrance. You guys already know this is a staple item for me. It's not going nowhere, and I love to use this as my base cleanser. And usually in the mornings, I don't really get too complicated with my shower routine. I actually like to keep it very simple. I only use about 2 to 3 products in the shower. So usually when I'm done cleansing my body with my Dr. Bronner soap, I typically like to follow up with a Smell Good body wash. And I recently picked this up from the brand OGX. This is their coconut coffee body wash. And y'all, when I tell you guys, this smells so good. This smells like fall in a bottle. Like, oh, I just love the scent. You could smell that coconut. You could smell the coffee. It just smells so warm and it really embodies fall. Like, oh, this is like the perfect fall scent. It smells so warm. And this is also very inexpensive. I got it at Walmart and it cost me less than $5 for this body wash. So I would highly recommend it. So that is pretty much it for my morning shower. Like I said, I like to keep things very simple in the mornings. And to be honest, I was still halfway awake, so I don't like to do the most in the mornings. I just like to step in the shower in the mornings just to wake the body up. But anyway, y'all, I'm about to finish up my routine, and I'm just gonna briefly go over this. I'm just brushing my teeth. I'm gonna wash my face, apply my body lotion. And by the way, I do have a full in-depth feminine hygiene routine video coming really soon. I picked up a lot of new hygiene and body care products that I'm so excited to share with you guys. So just be on the lookout for that, y'all. I promise it's coming really soon. Just be patient with me. I know I'll be taking the longest to drop a video, but this is gonna be like a full in-depth tutorial, and that's gonna cover all the bases of feminine hygiene. That's gonna have you smelling on point. Okay, I still have a couple of new items that I want to try out, but for the most part, I got a lot of new staple hygiene products that I'm so excited to share with you guys. So I promise it's coming real soon, y'all. It's coming real soon. So anyway, you guys, I kind of had to pick up the pace and finish getting ready because I actually had a morning meeting. So the Zoom call was about to start shortly. So I'm just grabbing something from the closet, just anything to look presentable. And I'm about to go ahead and fix my hair and get my face together. So like I already said, I do want to look somewhat presentable for this meeting. So I'm just gonna, fix my hair, put a little face on. So I just want to show you guys real quick. This is what my skin looks like bare. My skin is okay. I do have a little problem areas. My skin kind of been breaking out as of lately, and I have a little bit of dark marks. So I do want to slightly cover that up a little bit. So first, I'm going to start off with the Confidence in a Cream Anti-Aging Hydrating Moisturizer and apply it all over the skin. It's super important to make sure that your skin is hydrated and moisturized before you apply any makeup to the skin. And I must say, this moisturizer was really hydrating. It provides up to 48 hours of hydration, and it contains high concentrations of niacinamide, squalene to reverse 10 signs of aging skin in just 2 weeks. So now that my skin is well moisturized, I'm now going to go in with their CC Plus New Glow Skin Tint along with their brush. So I got this skin tint in the shade Neutral Rich, and I'm also going to use their 2-in-1 foundation and concealer brush to apply the product. And one thing I was really impressed by was the variety of shades that they have available in the CC cream. They have all kind of shades that's going to complement any skin complexion. So this skin tint has so many great benefits to it. It's supposed to provide an instant healthy glow and brighter skin in just 4 weeks. It also have an SPF of 40, which is going to give you sun protection. And it also provides 24-hour skin hydration for that all-day healthy glow. So this item is actually really ideal for people with dry skin, because when I tell y'all, this skin tint gives you that glow, okay? The hydration is seriously on a 10 with this product. This skin tint is also lightweight with a buildable medium coverage, and over time this will actually help to brighten the skin, improve skin texture, and uneven skin tone. And finally, to complete this look, I'm going to grab their waterproof eyeshadow stick. I picked this up in the shade Tenacious Tawny, and I'm going to apply it all over the eyelids. This eyeshadow stick was super blendable, and it literally just glides on the lid so smoothly without any tugging to the eye area. And it's also formulated with tripeptide complex, collagen, and caffeine to instantly give you younger looking eyes. And it's also available in 12 different shades. Overall, I love how this look came out. I was quickly able to achieve this nice natural looking glow, and I would recommend these products. So make sure you take advantage of their friends and family sale, and make sure to use my code MAGIC35 to save 35% off. And they have so many great offers. If you spend up to $100, you'll be able to receive a free makeup bag along with 4 deluxe samples. So I'm gonna leave everything down below in the description area. And once again, thank you so much to It Cosmetics for working with me in this video. So my meeting was about to start in a few, so I just headed over to my kitchen counter area to get myself set up. And I actually had a few minutes to spare, so I just took that opportunity to check whatever emails I may have, and I also took a look at my schedule for this week. So I know this is supposed to be a cozy and relaxing morning routine, but I still had to be somewhat productive. I try my very best to complete at least one productive task a day, whether it's me catching up on work or going to the gym, getting a good workout in. I try to do at least something productive throughout the day. So this is just my one productive task for today. So now that I finally got that meeting out the way, I could finally relax and get cozy. So I'm going to switch over into my Skims two-piece set. And then I'm going to put on this robe. I believe I got this actually from Fashion Nova. I'll make sure to leave the link to both of these items down below. So one of the ways that I like to set the mood is to light my candles and diffuser around the house. I actually just picked up this candle from At Home, and this candle smells really good. It has like a pumpkin spice scent, and it's just overall a great fall candle scent. But anyway, I'm also going to get my diffuser going as well. And I also picked up some fragrance oils. I got this scent in pumpkin pie, and it literally smells like a pumpkin pie, y'all. It smells amazing. And I also picked up this scent as well in vanilla hazelnut, and with those two scents combined, it smells amazing, y'all. And by the way, I got my diffuser and oils from Amazon. So I'm finally about to get started on breakfast, but first I saw something trending on TikTok and I really wanted to get into it. As of lately, I've been seeing people make these fall simmer pots. So I really wanted to try this out. So I picked up a couple of items from my local grocery. I just got some apples and oranges, and I'm just gonna put everything together to create my fall simmer pot. So your simmer pot could really consist of anything that you want, but just to get that fall scent that I was looking for, I got some oranges, I got some apples, along with some cinnamon sticks, to name a few ingredients to add into my simmer pot. But like I said, you could mix it up and do it however you want. I also got some rosemary, but I totally forgot to add it into my simmer pot for this video. But this still turned out amazing. Like when I had put it on the stove and I let it boil, this literally made my entire apartment smell like a baked apple pie. Like the aroma that this thing gave off was just everything. So I had let the simmer pot boil for about an hour or so, and I would highly recommend that you try this out, especially for the fall/holiday season. It's just a great way to have your home smelling warm, and it's just a great way to get into a cozy mood. So if you're looking to get the exact ingredients on how to make a fall simmer pot, all you got to do is just honestly look it up on TikTok. You'll find so many recipe videos on a fall simmer pot. Alright y'all, so moving on to my favorite part of this video, I'm finally gonna make a pumpkin spice latte. So I'm just grabbing all of my ingredients, and I found another recipe video on TikTok as well. If I can, I will actually leave the video link down below to the recipe videos that I found on TikTok, just to make it a little bit more convenient for you guys. But yeah, y'all, anyway, I'm just putting all of my ingredients together to make this pumpkin spice latte. And I decided to make a iced latte because I live in Florida, so it is still very much hot. It's not cold out here at all. So once the weather starts to cool down, I'll definitely make a hot pumpkin spice latte. But this turned out so good, you guys. It was so tasty. When I tell y'all, I'm gonna be tempted to make this every single day. And this was also really quick and easy to make. This literally took me less than 5 minutes to prepare. And the fact that I'm preparing this from home, I could make it exactly the way I like it. So if I don't want to put too much ice in my latte, I could control how much ice I put. I could control the sweetness if I don't want it to taste too sweet. And it's just also very cost effective as well because listen, when you add up that Starbucks every day, that add up. Okay, those $5-10 that you spend in a day at Starbucks, trust me, baby, that adds up. So I would highly recommend, if you're not already doing so, for this fall season, I would highly recommend that you just try to prepare your drinks and your food from home as much as possible. Not only is it cost effective, but you could have it exactly the way that you want. And like I said, this was so easy to prepare. And it was also kind of fun to create it. I low-key felt like a barista. And this definitely encouraged me to possibly, try to do some other recipes, some other latte coffee recipes. So I'm going to continue to look on TikTok to see what other recipes I could conjure up and try out. So moving on, I'm going to prepare a quick breakfast. And to be honest, I usually don't like to eat this early in the mornings. Usually I tend to eat breakfast around 11 noonish, but I was feeling a bit hungry, so I'm going to eat. So I was in the mood to make a croissant egg sandwich. So that is what I'm going to do. I just grabbed my ingredients and I'm just making something really simple. I didn't really get too complex with it. I just wanted a simple egg sandwich, okay? And this definitely hit the spot for me. It wasn't super filling. I just wanted something to satisfy my hunger, and this definitely did it for me. So I finally headed over to my living room area and I'm about to really get relaxed, get cozy, kick my feet up, watch some Netflix. And y'all, one show that I would highly recommend that you watch is called From Scratch. When I tell y'all, I binge watched the entire show series in that one day. Like this show, first off, it had me boohoo crying. It is just a romantic and heartbreaking show series. I don't want to ruin it for you guys, but all I'm gonna say is you need to watch this show series. I would highly recommend that you check it out. Another show series that I watched after that was Love is Blind. It just started a new season and it looks like it's gonna be good. I watched a few episodes and it was actually interesting. So that's another show that I've been watching as well. And yeah, you guys, so that is it for my cozy fall morning routine. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video and hope that you guys took away some tips from watching this video. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thumbs up this video, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.